channel. Today I am going to talk about very important topic, your kidney health. Your kidneys are vital organs that filter your blood, remove waste product and balance your fluid and electrolytes. But sometimes they can get damaged or disease, and this can lead to serious health problems. In this video, I am going to share with you 12 alarming signs that your kidney may be in danger and what you can do to prevent or treat them. Let's get started. Sign 1. Change in urinations. One of the most common and obvious sign of kidney trouble is change in your urinations habit. This can include frequent urinations, especially at night, difficulty urinations, or blood in the urine. These symptoms can indicate a urinary tract infections, kidney stone, or kidney damage. If you notice any of these changes, you should see your doctor as soon as possible. Sign 2. Fatigue and weakness. Another sign of kidney disease is fatigue and weakness. This is because your kidney produces hormones called erythropoietin, which stimulate the production of red blood cells. When your kidney are not working well, they make less erythropoietin and then lead to anemia or low number of red blood cells. Anemia can cause you to feel tired, weak and short of breath. To diagnose anemia, your doctor may order a blood test to check your hemoglobin level, which is the amount of oxygen carrying protein in your blood. Sign 3. Swelling. Kidney dysfunctions can also cause fluid to accumulate in your body, leading to swelling in your ankle, legs, face or hands. This is because your kidney regulate the amount of fluid and sodium in your body. When they are not able to do this, fluid can build up in your tissue, causing edema or swelling. Swelling can also be a sign of heart failure, liver disease or malnutrition, so it's important to consult your doctor if you experience these symptoms. Sign 4. Persistent back pain. Another sign that your kidney may be in danger is persistent back pain, especially in the lower back or side. This can be caused by kidney stone, kidney infections or kidney cyst. Kidney stone are hard deposit of minerals and salt that form in your urinary tract. They can cause severe pain when they move or block the flow of urine. Kidney infections are bacterial infections that can spread from your bladder to your kidney. They can cause fever, chill, nausea and vomiting. In addition to back pain, kidney cysts are fluid-filled sacs that grow on or in your kidney. They cause pain, high blood pressures and blood in the urine. If you have persistent back pain that does not go away with rest or painkillers, you should see your doctor for further evaluations. Sign 5. Unexplained weight loss or loss of appetite. Another sign of kidney disease is unexplained weight loss or loss of appetite. This can be due to several factors such as nausea, vomiting, poor digestion, inflammations or lost muscles mass. Weight loss and loss of appetite can also be caused another conditions such as cancer, depressions or thyroid problems. So it's important to rule out other possible cause with your doctor. Sign 6. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are also common sign of kidney disease. This is because when your kidney are not able to filter your blood properly, waste product and toxin can build up in your body, causing nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting can also be caused by other factors such as food poisoning, pregnancy or motion sickness. So it's important to determine the underlying cause with your doctor. Itchy skin. Itchy skin is another sign that your kidney may be in danger. This is because when your kidney are not able to remove waste product and excess fluid from your body, they can accumulate in your skin, causing dryness, irritations and itching. Itching can also be a sign of an allergic reactions, a skin infections or a liver disease. So it's important to check with your doctor if you have a persistence or severe itching. Sign 8. Metallic taste in mouth. Another sign of kidney disease is a metallic taste in the mouth. This is because when your kidney are not able to filter your blood properly, waste product and toxin can affect your sense of taste and smell, causing a metabolic or ammonia-like taste in your mouth. This can also affect your appetite and make you avoid certain food. A metallic taste in the mouth can also be caused by medications, dental problems, or infections. So it's important to consult your doctor if you have these symptoms. Sign 9. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is another sign that your kidney may be in danger. This is because when your kidney are not working well, they can cause fluid to build up in your lungs, making it hard for you to breathe. Shortness of breath can also be caused by anemia, which reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of your blood. Shortness of breath can also be a sign of heart attack, a lung disease, or an anxiety disorder. So it's important to seek medical attention if you have these symptoms. Sign 10. High blood pressure. High blood pressure is another sign that your kidney may be in danger. This is because your kidney play a key role in regulating your blood pressure. By controlling the amount of fluid and sodium in your body, when your kidney are not able to do this, your blood pressures can rise, putting stress on your heart and blood vessels. High blood pressures can also damage your kidney, creating a vicious cycle. High blood pressures can also be caused by other factors such as stress, obesity, smoking, or genetics. So it's important to monitor your blood pressures regularly and follow your doctor's advice on how to lower it. Sign 11. Brain fog. Brain fog is another sign that your kidney may be in danger. This is because when your kidney are not able to filter your blood properly, waste product and toxin can affect your brain functions, causing confusions, memory loss, difficulty in concentrating, or mood changes. Brain fog can also be caused by other factors such as dehydration, sleep deprivations, stress, or medication side effect. So it's important to stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and talk to your doctor if you have these symptoms. Sign 12. Cold intolerance. Cold intolerance is another sign that your kidney may be in danger. This is because when your kidney are not working well, they can affect your thyroid functions, which regulate your body temperatures. When your thyroid is underactive, you may feel cold. Even when the weather is warm, cold intolerance can also be caused by other factors such as anemia, poor circulations, or low body fat. So it's important to check your thyroid level and wear warm clothing if you have these symptoms. So these are the 12 alarming signs that your kidney may be in danger. If you have any of these symptoms, you should see your doctor as soon as possible and get tested of kidney disease. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health related videos. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and help them stay healthy and aware.